a while. Now I'm playing I forgot its name. But anyways, I think you cannot hear my voice now because the sound is covering. Yes, my recorder is very bad. But anyways, it's been a while since I didn't make a video. A Roblox video. But anyways. By the way, I'm actually home alone. Home alone. I'm according to the mountains my map for now. I wish I was in there. The black two are here. Who is gonna win? The green or the dark blue? I'm rooting for the dark blue. Oh my, look how they're passing. They're still passing, look at this. Oh, look at that. They're passing. They're passing, one more passing. Oh my shot. They're shooting like, no, mamma mia. I'm playing this game because I'm in love with football. If you found this is kind of changed or matured, I don't know why. I think I just matured. Oh yes, the Mr. Darkly blue win. I hate intermission. I wish there was no No, I don't want to join Quality Soft. They might hack me. I hate you cannot chat. Bro, why did Roblox create this stupid rule? Both advantage. No, I don't want to waste my Robux. Thanks. Okay. I think we're in. Game is starting. Oh, why I cannot move? Why can I not move? Okay, my voice is not mostly mature like this. No, it's mostly squeaky, but anyway. Oh, you're passing it to me. Thank you. Thank you very much. How is that possible? Oh my, I'm on 1 heart left. If I die, don't ask why. I'm gonna try to defend here. I'm like a center back. I'm like. Oh, I meant he's a right back. But anyways. Oh hey, oh my! They eliminated themselves by an own goal. I'm on 1 heart. Don't you dare! Don't you dare come to me! You idiot! LOL. Okay. I'm kind of scared at this point. I don't want to get eliminated, but I don't want to get I said that 2 times. No, they eliminated themselves by an own goal. 2 people did that, and I don't know why. They were probably stupid. Okay. That's fire right there. Okay. Oh my. Don't you. Okay. Oh! Don't. There we go. I got an assist. Or was it? Most people is on 1 heart right now. But anyways, I passed it to him. Why didn't you get a ball? Oh my. It's an all. Okay, 3 people left. Only 3 people. Don't you aim it to me. Oh. How did I miss that? Oh, I'm free to go out, but I'm not going out. I almost scored. Oh man. Go. Go! Okay. Oh man, I really want to score. Don't you dare aim it at me. Don't you dare. On that command. Don't you dare. Oh! What? That's not a goal? Or an own goal? That's kind of funny. Funny. Oh! I didn't play because of that stupid age verification. No! Don't you dare come to me, you little brat! You know it. You're a brat. You're a brat. If you hear noises, don't mind it. It's just outside. Okay, they're passing the ball. They're playing. Like they do. I do to them like they do. I do to them like they do. I do to them like they do. I do to them. Do. I'm saying random things. Oh, the final two. The final. I think I'm gonna get eliminated because I'm not good. I'm not cracked like before at Roblox. I'm not cracked. Oh no, don't you. There we go. You dumb. You're dumb. Did you know you're dumb? I saw that on Google. Just kidding, bacons are cool. Oh! He missed it. Like I mostly missed in this game. The ball. And they score. On me. On Mimi. On me, on Mimi, on Mimi, on Mimi, on Mimi, on Mimi. Ole, ole, ole. That's my legendary. No, that song I think is copyright. Feel the magic in the air. Ole, ole, ole. No. The dark blue one. Guys, guess what? You remember this game? Oh my. I remember it. Like, I remember it. House 4, definitely. I don't want House 2. It's trash. House 4 is better than House 2. And when you go to House 4, don't you dare click on that rocket thingy, that white thingy, or the house will go crazy. Not kidding. No notes. I remember when I said it. Remember, in House 4, you need to equip a jetpack before you go. I remember. If you don't understand me, watch my old video about build a boat for treasure. No. No. Don't. Okay, I turned the volume off because when I turn the volume on, the song comes and my recorder is bad, so they don't hear my voice. So, okay. And after that game, I think I played Cook Burgers. That one I pretended to play Among Us. Amaka until I go to the stage I think I'm gonna die in. Where's my window? Did it already get broken? Why is there 2 packs and only 3 chairs? Why did I? See, this is an example when I press that thing. Oh, it's going crazy. See, don't press it. See, it's literally going, but it's literally. going crazy. It's been a while since I seen the stage. Wow, 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 wow. Paint me blue, yes. Blue, da ba dee da. Oh, that song is copywriting. Paint me blue. Okay. Purple. I'm purple, da ba. My face is blue. My chair is blue. My rocket is blue. Half. But everything is probably. Remember this stage? I think I'm gonna die in it. I'm still gonna not say the name because it will probably get censored by YouTube. But you know what I mean. The beat. I'm not gonna say it. I think. Oh, it's now yellow and blue. The outline. Wow, wow, wow. Or if you know, I think I don't have good grammar, so I think this is not the outlines. Or am I just saying that? Because I say sometimes weird things. Never seen this stage before, but I don't care. Wow, it's very cool. Yes, Minu, it's very cool. Oh yes, oh yeah, oh yes, oh yes. Half-4 is strong. I think I was gonna do layers of it, like the first layer here and the second layer there, but I figured out I don't have much blocks. See, it's changed. Okay guys, we're in the final two stages. We need to win. Why is there pufferfishes? Don't hit me, pufferfishes! No pufferfishes! I hate you, pufferfishes! Don't you dare, pufferfishes! Okay, when I go to the last stage, okay, we're in the final stage. I need to win this. What? I think I'm gonna die right here and right now. Just look. This stage is so random, and I hate it so much. It has so much rocks. And I kind of hate. No, I'm kind of being racist. But anyways, no. It's attacking the back. No. It's attacking the back. It's attacking the back. The back. Okay. We need to. Oh my! Don't tell me I got the treasure. No, not this. No, this. Okay, I think we got the treasure! Pirates! We got the treasure! Pirates, we have finally got the treasure! Wow, it's so beautiful, it's shiny. I just want to see it right even now. Wow. Oh yes. Pirates, the treasure is this way. Come on. When there is literally no pirates. But anyways, we got the treasure, baby. We finally got the treasure. That's why I love House 4. Yes. It's all belonging to me. Wow, what did I get? One slime. Okay. 132, that's good.